at Sierra Resort in Dauin. What are you gonna do here? Say, welcome to my Philippine dreams. What's your name?
I'm sorry.
How old are you?
I'm good.
How old? I'm almost 3. Ouch, ouch, you're heavy. Stand up. I'm almost 3 years old. Come here. What do you want for your birthday? Dinosaur cake. That's all you want?
Yeah.
Okay. How are you?
I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah.
No, this is the Sierra Resort. And today will be a girls' night out. So that means no daddy here. Yeah, Zoe is watching too much British show like Peppa Pig, Bing. So she got a British accent now. Look at the pool, Zoe. Do you like it? Yeah. You want to swim there?
Yeah.
Wow. Are you ready to swim?
Yeah.
Do you know how to swim now?
Yeah.
Can you swim like a fish?
Yeah, I want to swim like a fish.
You want to swim like a fish? Yeah, this is a very, very nice place.
I want to swim.
You want to change now?
Yeah.
Not yet. We need to check in first, and we're still waiting because we arrived here so early, and our check-in time is 2 p.m. It's only 1:09, so we have to wait for a couple of minutes. Let's go to the parking. Let's check there.
What's it?
Yeah. Where is Chloe?
Chloe?
You left Chloe behind. Oh no.
Chloe?
No more Chloe. Look at the landscaping on this place. It's very cool, right, Zoe?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, I want to go there.
You want to go there?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
Okay, go. I'll follow you. Go wherever you want. I'll follow you, okay? Do you like it here?
Yeah.
You tell them, I like it here. Say here.
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 Yeah.
Say water. Water.
Water.
Water.
Water.
Don't put your hand in your mouth. Say it again. Water.
Water.
Don't shout. Water.
Water.
Here.
Here.
Are you American?
No.
Yes, you are American.
No.
You're American because your daddy is American.
No.
Yes. And you already got your American citizenship.
That.
That's a stick.
Stick?
Yeah, and there's ants over there. Oh, let's go before the ants bite you. But you're American, right? Yes, you are.
No.
Yes, you are. So what are you? Are you a Filipino?
I'm a Filipino.
She don't want to admit that she is American. Okay, let's go back to Chloe, okay? Okay? Ate Zoe, hello. You have your ice cream. Yeah, you like your ice cream?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do today?
I see.
Ice cream. Do you like it here? Do you like it here?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you know where we are?
It's my ice cream.
Do you know where we are? Where are we? You're just repeating what I say. We are at Sierra's Resort in Dauin. We're gonna swim here. And look at Chloe. I'm ready for ice cream. I want ice cream. Give me ice cream. Give me the camera. I'll do the vlogging. You're horrible, mommy. I'll be the future Philippine dreams vlogger. Give me the camera. Give me the camera. Okay, so we're going in to their reception area, and also their restaurant is in here too, and Chloe is over there. It's windy today. I don't know if Amihan is already back. Amihan means northeast monsoon. So we got a nice wind here. It usually starts during bear months, but I think she wants to come in early to the Philippines. There are people there. They will go diving. I wish I could dive. I don't know how to swim, and I hope our kids will get the swimming talent from their daddy, because Ned is a good swimmer. Hi Zoe, are you okay? Are you sure?
Out. She said let me out.
What? Hi.
Let me out. Let me out.
No, you stay there. You stay there. Look at the ice cream all over your shirt. Ah. Hi Chloe. How are you? You got runny nose, poor baby.
cranky.
You're cranky? No, don't take the camera. Are you cranky? You want the camera? What are you gonna do with it? Eat it? Ah, no, don't eat me. How are you doing there? Grabbing people's ice cream? Look at you. You get ice cream all over your face and head. Wow, you're eating that. That's enough. No more ice cream for you, okay? No more ice cream. Don't be mad. Don't be mad. That's enough. Look at your face. Why are you so cranky? You want more ice cream? You want more ice cream? No more ice cream. How about you, Ate? Look at your face. Oh my goodness. Look at the chocolate on your mouth. You look like a clown. Are you a clown? Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh? Oh, Chloe. Hi. You like ice cream? Yummy ice cream. You want ice cream too? You like ice cream too? You finish your ice cream, okay? Because we're going to our room soon. Okay? Eat it.